recording. It says in air, on air. Yes, on, yes.
Okay. Wait, let me go on your YouTube channel then.
Bet I'm putting on my own YouTube channel. Oh crap! No, my applesauce.
What?
No, no, bro. You should go to the Walmart applesauce, and then you'll see strawberry. Bro, these are so good. I'm for real.
Yeah.
Dude, they're at school. Remember school? But the strawberry one were better. Bum 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 bum. Yeah, upstream. Brother, what the? I'm streaming! Bro, you're so freaking weird. Where's MJ? What's MJ doing?
You're just dirty-minded.
Now, what were you doing, huh? What were you doing then?
What?
What were you doing? What are you doing then? What were you doing? Wait, who said that? Yeah, MJ.
I was laughing like a freaking boosie that time.
You are at one. But if I post it on my stream, dude, this is gonna get instantly posted to my freaking YouTube channel. I can't delete it or anything.
When MJ leaves, you wanna play Call of Duty creative? I mean, not creative. Multiplayer.
Bets. Then 1v1, brother. 1v1.
No, why you guys gonna leave me out like that?
No. 1v1 me for a little bit so I can get used to it. I haven't played multiplayer in a while. I'm lagging. Oh my god, I'm lagging. You see that lag, Percy?
Oh, shut up.
No, did you see the lag? MJ, why are you such a third party here? Ah, now you can't call me a third party anymore. I don't care for a third party anymore. I'm a third party, you know.
Okay,
you can't call me a third party. No, every time you said third party, you're a third party. You started acting like a great baby.
It's part of the game. It's just part of the game.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just part of the game. It's just part of the game.
Bum 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 bum. Dang, Crazy, you should have let him hit you with a 185.
Oh my
gosh. No, he didn't. MJ didn't even hit you. You see that? No, MJ didn't hit you. He was like 5 feet away from that.
That's because I'm using aimbot. I mean,
well, everybody report him. Being a cheater. Reporter.
Bro,
oh crap. Oh, it's doing something.
Don't be scared, Tassie.
But I can't shoot. I can't shoot. I cannot shoot. I cannot shoot.
Me with the aimbot on, bro. I'm like, oh!
MJ, you're so cool, bro. Like you're so cool. But no one asked. Kill him, Percy. Yay! That's what you get, MJ. But Percy, you're killing your own self too, brother. So.
That's what you get for aimbot.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm still gonna aim.
Okay. Yeah, bro. Epic Games.
Bro, you guys really don't
My sister works for Epic Games, sir.
I know how to use aimbot. I have a friend that knows how to use aimbot.
Brother, how do I?
I'm using aimbot, just like I told you. Whoa, you suck.
How?
You're spamming. The only thing you
It's part of that game. It's part of the game, man. It's part of the game.
Yeah, it's
part of that game. Like exactly what you said. It's part of the game.
Oh, Poppy.
Nah. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, cause I miss the smart. Your death will be freezing. Yeah, I'm not gonna go over there. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back over here. Oh god.
Oh shit! What? You shot me through the field.
Wow.
Bro, I can't shoot, bro.
Guys,
I can't shoot, bro. I swear, I shot my shotgun. The game didn't want me to shoot my shot at a girl.
you don't have a friend, Percy. What are you doing?
What?
You have a friend. He's not gonna do the handshake with you. Whoa, hey yo! Also, like, dude, this dude. Yeah,
What the frick? Ah! I can't build. I can't build anymore, bro.
Wow, NG. Dude,
MJ
you know,
left.
alright,
Alright, trying to go play some Call of Duty. Let me invite you to a party.
Yeah.
Bro, my guy's rage quitted. Rage quitter.